Alright, so we are going to start by prepping our face. I'm going to take my Athena oil-based palette and mix black and white to get a gray. Also mix some of my own foundation just to give it more of a sheer look than an opaque. I learned from my last video that just putting straight white oil-based paint came out way too opaque. Here I'm color correcting my under eyes. I really wanted to brighten the area to make my eye makeup stand out. Because the look of this is more gothic, grunge, I still want it to be a little bit sexy. Because if you've seen the real Joker makeup, it's far from anything pretty. Now we're applying the pre-mixed face paint and I'm going over with the brush and under the eyes. Going back to my Athena palette and taking the white base paint, I am going to put it over all of my brows just so I could have a good base for the eyeshadow. Now taking this bright green shade and a brow brush, I'm just going to apply it all over where I apply the white paint. Now this is a super tinted wax I'm going to use for my hair, but I decided to use it in my brows as well just to tame it. Here I'm just using a darker green shadow just because I want more depth. Don't forget your eyeshadow primers. Alright, so we're going to take this purple as the outer corner shade and we kind of want to make it like an elongated diamond shape. We're going to take this lighter shade of purple and just fill in the corners of the eyes. Now we could blend everything together and outwards if needed. Now we're going to create some depth with some black eyeshadow, so I'm just going to apply it as if I am drawing on a cat eye and then make sure I blend it to my liking of opaqueness. Now we are doing an actual cat eye with some liquid liner. And we're going to take a black kohl pencil and fill in the waterline and extending the line with black eyeshadow. And here I'm just drawing on a really sharp inner corner with liquid liner. Black eyeshadow, I'm just marrying together my smoky eye with my cat eye. Using whatever shadow is on my lower lash line, I'm just extending it down. Now we're going to contour all over with gray powder for more definition. Now this trick right here is going to make your cheekbones look more hollow from the bottom. I'm just using the warmth of my hands to take off some product just so it blends better with my skin tone. So taking a deep neutral colored blush, I don't want anything too bright since there's a lot of brightness already going on. And back to my Athena palette, we're going to take the white and start creating Joker's scar. So I'm just patting this out because light doesn't have any edge to it. This is just going to be more of the highlighted part. And with the wine colored lip liner, I'm just going to draw the scar on the inside of the white we'd applied. And with this gray shadow, we're going to create some shadows to give it that 3D look. Just taking some more shadow on my finger and just patting it on to give it more messy look and applying lashes. With black shadow, I'm just filling in any gaps with the new scar I created and my smoky eye. Now I'm just creating the writing with black eyeliner. So I wanted to make this look more like cuts, so before you go on to the next one, you want to smudge it a little bit with your fingers. And with my wine lip liner, I want to draw right in between the writings, not going over the black liner. Now in circular motions, I'm just patting around each letter just to make it look like it's irritated skin. So I'm going to start off with a bright matte red lip and a wine colored pencil. Now I'm going to take a medium matte red with a neutral undertone. The neutral tone will ensure a seamless blend. Really just apply this to the inner corners of the mouth. Okay, so this didn't work out the way I was hoping it to, so we're going to use our fingers. And we did it too much. So we're going to wipe it off and apply that pre-mixture of face color we did earlier. With the same liner, we're going to extend the outer corners of our mouth. And my favorite setting spray of all time, this is designed for special effects makeup. Fair warning, you want intense hold, it's going to be an intense smell. Taking a clear gloss on my hand, I'm just patting it over my lipstick. Right, so makeup's done, we want to create a wet look for the hair, so we're going to put in wax, gel, and whatever we can. Now this is a washable tinted wax. I'm just gonna put it right over my head. I'm not gonna like soak it in or anything. As you can see, it's super pigmented, but it doesn't transfer easily. That's what I love about this product. Now we are on my favorite part. We are accessorizing. Please drop a comment if you've done this in middle school, because I cannot be the only one.